semi-final number 2. Macy's in the booth. Mate, what do you reckon about tonight's competition? Tough team here with Ford. Holden's really trying to play catch-up. What do you reckon?
Well, Team Holden fought back very well in semi-final number 1, but I think they're going to need all the help they can get tonight if they want to take home that W.
Well, let's have a look at our teams tonight. There's only one Holden driver in tonight's semi-final.
Semi-finalist number 1 tonight is James Clement. He's behind the wheel of the white Holden Commodore Ute. Finalist number 2, driving the number 60 Decina Falcon, is Steve Nicely.
Also driving for Team Ford is MDJ, Michael's Diecast Garage, in the 21 BOC Ford. And the last driver for Team Ford tonight is Jeffrey Thunder and the number 21 Aussie Mail Broadband, the big mighty green Ford Falcon. Good luck to all teams and drivers tonight.
Drivers and cars are ready at the Mount Western Raceway start line for semi-final number 2. Good luck to all drivers. We'll see you straight after race number 4 for the wrap-up.
Forever young, or am I faking? On the tip of my tongue, there's a sarcasm waiting for you. I'm willing to trade my soul for a bit of your charm. There's no way I fade into oblivion, 'cause I'll keep shining over you all. And if your wings entwining, you better face the fall, keep trying again. Oh yeah, keep trying again. There's mud on the floor, desperate people trying to get through the door, although the room's already crowded. But I'll keep shining over you all. And if your wings entwining, you better face the fall, keep trying again. Oh yeah, keep trying again. Zeros, everybody's trying to be heroes.
Macy, we just witnessed some superior driving right here on Mount Western Raceway, and that is from Team Holden, the driver himself, the man, James Clement. Look at that, a perfect score, 16. Congratulations, you're heading through to the finals. And also heading off to the finals is Michael's Diecast Garage and the number 21 BOC Ford Falcon. Congratulations.
Scintillating driving there by James Clement in that Commodore Ute. Sadly though, we need to say goodbye to the drivers not making it through. Steve Nicely in the Decina Falcon and Jeffrey Thunder in the number 21 Aussie Mail Falcon. Didn't go your way today, boys, but there's always next time. Thanks for racing.
The fastest time tonight was held by the man James Clement. Go mighty Holden in a 12.760. Well done.
Very fast time there by James Clement. Let's check out the scoreboard after semi-final number 2. Holden's on 138, Ford sitting on 162.
Looking at the first replay here, it's James Clement right out front. Team Ford have got no hope of catching him. Look at them, they're like a bunch of sharks trying to catch their prey. Go Holden. James Clement in that ute is just ripping up this track and loving it.
Well, it was more of the same in race number 2 here. James Clement putting on an absolute clinic today. Diecast racing like I've never seen before. He was off and gone and winning by very large margins. 4 more points, Holden.
Look at James Clement go right out of the start gate. Turn 1 beautifully executed and down to turn 2.
He really does love this track and is unstoppable once he hits the front. Looking forward to seeing what he can do later on in the series. 4 wins in a row though, what an effort.
Well, considering Holden only had one surviving driver in this semi-final, congratulations to Team Holden. Well, that's a big thank you to our sponsor, Crabster, for supplying the cars for this tournament, Macy for our co-host, and Mark D, our mechanic engineer on track from Cut Rock Racing. Until next time, we'll catch you later.